Okay, hello you guys. In this video, I am going to teach you on how to dispute the audit calls review. If you made a mistake, so you have to check or re-listen the calls. So I already listened the calls. So I believe I got a mistake for these calls. So I wasn't able to pay attention at the end of the calls. So I made a mistake with my answer. Okay, I will let you listen this one.
I know this is possible because I bought a mini cars. Take the documents into a flatbed and just like on the 23rd of December, so it's like right before Christmas, and just drop it off.
Okay, the caller says on 23rd they're gonna visit the company or the shop. So that time I wasn't able to pay attention on the date, so I got it wrong. But if you believe that you are correct with your review, your call, so you can click it here on option B. If you would like to dispute the audit of your review, you can actually click it here. Okay, okay, you can comment here, like for example, um, but don't be rude. Okay, you have to comment, like for example, can you clarify, like for example, can you clarify if the audit review was correct, since I believe my answer was correct. Because, so you have to tell the reason why you believe that your answer is correct and the auditor was wrong. Okay, so but for this example, I'm pretty sure I got it wrong, so I cannot send and dispute for this one. So I have to agree with the reviewer. So let me return. So like this one, so you can see it here, the correct answer. Okay, so you can also click it here, redo this call, and then you have to specify or be specific with your dispute. Okay, just direct to the point. So since I got it wrong, so I have to agree. So it looks like your reviewer call ID number blah 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 is incorrect, so I have to agree. So yes, I believe if you got it penalty against you, so just write it yes. So I got it wrong, so I got penalized with my earnings. So I will submit, and then okay, submit, and then let's